In this video we will be talking about how to install Sangfor VDC. Before we begin, let's discuss what is VDC. VDC refers to the Virtual Desktop Access Management System, Virtual Desktop Controller, VDC. It provides functions such as user authentication management, policy control, and unified monitoring and management of desktop, thin client to achieve safer and more reliable delivery of cloud desktops. VDC are divided into software version and hardware version. For hardware version, the hardware VDC is installed on the physical machine and is a hardware device. For software version, software VDC is a virtual desktop access management system, mainly exists in the form of virtual machines. This video focuses on installing software VDC guide. VDC installation guide consists of 5 steps. First, create a VM in VMP, select Virtualization Desktop Controller, VDC, as OS type. Second, configure an IP address for VDC. Third, power on VDC and login VDC management platform. The default port is 4430. Fourth, go to VDI options virtualization platform VMP, configure VDC, connect to VMP. Fifth, go to system licensing, fill in license key and upgrade license. First of all, click on new to create a new VM. Select create new virtual machine. Give a name for this VDC and change the group, data store and working location if necessary. Make sure to select VDC as the OS. Lastly, click on Configure IP address to set an IP address for this VDC. Enter the IP address details and click OK. Click OK again to deploy the new VDC. The process may take a while to create the new VDC. Once completed, we can now power on the VDC. After powered on, we can now access the Vdc Console. On the browser, enter the VDC IP followed by port 4430 to access the Vdc Console. This is the login page of Vdc Console. The default username and password is admin and it's case sensitive. After successfully log into Vdc Console, we will configure the VMP. From the left panel, click on VMP. Click New to configure the VMP. Provide a name for the VMP. Enter the URL address followed by username and password. Click on Test Connectivity to ensure the connections are normal. We can now save and add the VMP configuration. You can also easily check the VMP status from VMP menu. Green indicates that the connections are normal. Next, navigate to System, Licensing. Make sure the license are activated and has the green tick next to it. Click on Modify if needed to change or add the license. If the license is not activated, VDC operations will be abnormal. Next we will look at the configurations for login methods. Navigate to System, Login in. Under Personalization, check Automatically Download and Install Update to ensure the thin client is always up to date. You can also change settings for VDI Client from the VDI Client tab. Change the settings according to your needs. Lastly, navigate to Network menu. Here you can change the deployment mode and interface settings as per requirements. In the end of this tutorial, we have learned on what is Sangfor VDC, how to deploy VDC, how to configure VDC settings,